Measure the specification for the outer diameter of the used screw. Measure the correct pitch through using the thread gauge. Select the correct and required tapping. Firmly fix the tapping into the adapter and put on the gear wrench. Add the tapping oil appropriately as needed during operation. Start cutting when the tapping is turned clockwise in operation. Start removing the tapping as being turned counterclockwise and truncating the iron fillings. Lock the required screw to be used when the tapping is completed. Cooperate with the needed nut. Choose the correct outer diameter of the workpiece. Select the correct eye. Place the adapted Thorento to lock. Put on the patented gear wrench. The clockwise turning is the tap cutting operation. The counterclockwise turning is the iron filling removal. Lock the required nut after the completion of the aforedescribed processes.